just learned that after suffering a humiliating defeat, Crushto wants a shot at redemption. I tell you, there's no sob story sweeter than that of a mechanical... This guy must be more irritated than a one-legged droid in a butt-kicking contest.
All right, let's find out what Tachyon's up to.
Greetings, inferior beings of Polaris. Does your life lack a sense of purpose? Do you constantly worry about finding steady income? Do you like killing stuff? Then join the Imperial Army and aid me in my humble quest for galactic domination. Here you'll travel to new places, meet interesting people, and execute them in the name of me.
Hold the phone! Did you just say I could meet interesting people?
Why, yes, I did, celebrity hero Captain Quark.
That sounds terrific! Tell me more!
It's simple. Somewhere in this galaxy is the filthy Nundac secret responsible for the Kragmite defeat. As an official Tachyon trooper, your job will be to ravage every planet until it is found. Leave no stone unturned, no rebel spared. Exterminate anyone who stands in your way! All for a tidy salary and competitive benefits package.
Wow! All that and travel too?
Indeed. Take the Nundac asteroid ring, for example. Our spies have learned that the secret may be hidden here on this remote moon base. If you sign up by tonight, you can join in on the raid.
Emperor Tachyon is an equal opportunity oppressor.
Do you think this Lombak's secret could be the weapon used to vaporize the Kragmites?
Whatever it is, we need to get to it before Tachyon does. This must be the transport to the station, but how do we get the launch code?
We ought to warn you that the owner of that there station ain't accustomed to visitors.
And why should we trust you? You ejected us into space!
Apologies, my friend. Tell you what, allow us to make it up to you. Some space pirates from Ardolus have offered us bolts for Leviathan souls. Why, if you were to go and fetch some for us, we would happily give you the launch code.
Dog! Lombax has a death wish! Dog!
Teleporter cannons always make my sprockets tingly.